This is a 2020 all aluminum Adam Julite. 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide, 14 feet long. It's an all aluminum frame, aluminum skin, and aluminum roof. This trailer has a wooden floor. We've got mats in the dressing room instead of carpet. 2 saddle racks, and that's a sliding window there. 6 bridle hooks, and a spare tire. Screen door with a sliding window. Full length running boards. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this. I'll show you the horse area from the other side. Full length running boards there. You've got LED running lights and an LED load light. Two escape doors with sliding windows. Rear ramp. Load light. You got a switch for your load light there and a switch for your inside lights here. Got 2 lights inside of the horse area and 1 in the dressing room. Padded walls, padded divider, all that's removable. Padded breast and butt bars. Gravity latches here. That treated wooden floor under your rubber mats. These ramps are super, super light. Really easy, one hand. You can travel with these top doors open when it's really hot, or close them up. Good structure on this trailer, plenty of material. It is a value trailer, and what we are keeping is the structure and the materials. It just doesn't have all the fancy diamond plate everywhere, no fancy colors and graphics. It's just a basic point A to point B trailer, safely, happily, comfortably. Plenty of roof support, plenty of structure in this trailer. They're not sacrificing quality. 15-inch wheels, full-length running boards. Nice quality, excellent value. Brand new 2020 Adam Julite.